Hello and welcome back. One of G Suite's popular new features is compare documents. But this only works if you have an older version of a document stored in Drive as a separate file. So, what happens if you don't have the older version in Drive and it's stuck in the version history? Easy. You can make a copy of an older version in the version history. This will create a new document in Drive for that version that you can now compare with your current version. To try this, in your doc, go to File, Version History, select See Version History, and here on the right you can see couple revisions of this file. Hover over the version you would like a copy of and click this, select Make a Copy. And that's it. We don't make a habit of making copies because the version history keeps them all in one place. But this is great if you want to compare two versions of a document. This feature is also useful if someone asks you to share an older version of a docs, sheets, or slides file. Now you have the separate file, you can now use the Compare Documents feature to find differences between two documents. How do you do that? Click the video up there to watch the tutorial. Thanks for tuning in and see you on our next video.